Today we'll be interviewing Melati. Melati is a 22-year-old full-time changemaker. She founded Byebyeplasticbags with her younger sister and has spoken on world stages such as TED and UN, and has been selected as Forbes' top 10 most inspiring women in Indonesia.
She graduated high school 1 year earlier and was honoured by Time as part of the list of most influential teens, along with CNN Heroes, Young Wonders, and Forbes 30 Under 30.
Hi, nice to be here, and I'm super excited to be part of this incredible program at Green School New Zealand.
We would love to hear about you and your high school and post-school journey, to understand how you have gotten to where you are today.
Yeah, for sure. And you know, what's interesting as well is I graduated from Green School Bali. So I had an incredible high school experience that also allowed me to focus on my activism and grow my activism, right? Because my journey started when I was 12 years old. So it's just before high school. I'm still in middle school, and I built Byebyeplasticbags fully while I was still at school. And in my gap year after graduating, I learned so much about the world. I saw so many of the challenges that our world faces, but I also saw so much hope and so much power in our generation and how we lead by example.
So what drives your passion?
So the love of nature is what drives me from the beginning, starting at 12 years old, all the way through 10 years today. And the second element is really a deep fire within me of empowering and supporting and building community within my generation. And that's the work that I get to do every day with Youthtopia as we build these programs and see more and more young people everywhere in all corners of the world step into their full potential to be the best change maker they can be.
And I'm sure you've come across many challenges during your journey. What are those challenges, and what strategies and tools do you use to overcome them?
So one of the biggest challenges, and something that I think is valuable for all of you listening today, is how do we overcome that long-term commitment, that long-term motivation that we need in order to be change makers for life. Now, the way that we have overcome it at Byebyeplasticbags and at Youthtopia is by, one, knowing that we have to work in a team. The second element is to keep things as creative as possible, thinking outside of the box, be different, right? And this, we know, I think it's a core philosophy here at Green School New Zealand. How can we think outside of the box? How can we be different? Because we know we won't solve the problems with the same thinking that created them, right? And that kind of ties into my last piece of advice of how we overcame that challenge, which is something that is unique to our generation that we must not forget, is to have fun and, you know, enjoy and celebrate the small steps in the right direction as well.
And just like you say, to have support, like who did you lean on for that support?
We had a really beautiful team when we started Byebyeplasticbags that was comprised of our friends personally at school, of other schools on the island of Bali, and we became this really beautiful community of like-minded young people. But of course, also there were two other buckets that I would say of support. First one was our parents and other parents that really supported us, and the teachers. Our teachers at school were so supportive in creating that space, and that's something where I always talk about how our teachers are actually superheroes that can create that space for us and build that foundation within us at a young age. And that's where me and my sister at 10 and 12 years old, without our family, without our teachers, and without our team, we would be nowhere.
Yeah. And so what would some advice be that you would give yourself when you were like your younger 12-year-old self?
It's okay if things aren't going as planned. We can always revisit the drawing board and come up with a new strategy. I would tell myself to stay focused. It's good to listen to feedback, always. And always, that's why we have 2 ears and 1 mouth, right? Listen to feedback, but stay focused and stay true to yourself. And don't lose that excitement and passion from when you started to where you are now.
That was so inspirational. Could you give us at Green School New Zealand a plug that we are doing for your world?
Okay, Well, Green School New Zealand, and especially this event right here, is a melting pot for the creation of change makers. It is through conversation and dialogues, just like we are doing now, where it starts the inspiration, but we truly will see the impact and action on the ground. And so that's why I'm excited to have spoken with you girls today, but also to have shared the message of 10 years on change making with Byebyeplastic Bags, and today with Youthtopia, to all of you future young change makers at Green School New Zealand.
Thank you very much for taking time to speak to us.
Thank you so much for having me.